Can you imagine a world where you're shedding those stubborn pounds while still enjoying delicious, satisfying food? Well, it's not a dream. It's the reality for many who have discovered the transformative power of the keto diet. Enter the realm of keto, a dietary plan that flips the script on conventional weight loss methods by focusing on healthy fats instead of carbohydrates. This approach has been shown to yield incredible results, including significant weight loss, enhanced energy levels, and improved overall health. But what exactly is the keto diet? Originating from the word ketogenic, the keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet. It drastically reduces carbohydrate intake and replaces it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where it becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. The benefits of the keto diet are manifold. It's not just about weight loss. It can also help reduce blood sugar and insulin levels, making it particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or prediabetes. It's been linked to improvements in heart health, mental clarity, and even mood stabilization. Picture yourself waking up every morning, feeling more energetic than ever before, with improved mental clarity to tackle the day's tasks. Imagine noticing your clothes fitting better, your confidence soaring, and your health metrics improving. That's the power of keto. The keto diet isn't just a fad. It's a lifestyle change, a commitment to your health and well-being. And the best part? You don't have to say goodbye to delicious food. The keto meal plan is full of mouth-watering meals that will satisfy your taste buds. Think juicy steaks, creamy avocados, crispy bacon, and decadent cheeses. Yes, it can be challenging to figure out where to start with the keto diet, but don't worry. There are plentiful resources out there to help guide you on this journey. From meal plans to shopping lists, from delicious recipes to supportive communities, you won't have to navigate this alone. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Today could be the day you take that step towards a healthier, happier you. So why wait? Embrace the keto lifestyle today. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Start your keto journey now. Transform your life, one delicious, healthy meal at a time. You won't believe the difference it can make until you try it for yourself. So go ahead, take the plunge into the world of keto. You won't regret it.